Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a Mitsubishi Mirage headlight bulb. This is a straightforward process that usually requires no special tools, making it a great do-it-yourself project. Remember, when handling the new bulb, it is crucial not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan, so handle it carefully by its base. To begin, open your Mitsubishi Mirage hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. Next, reach behind the headlight and gently pull off the black plastic electrical connector. This connector supplies power to the bulb. After that, carefully remove the black rubber dust cover that surrounds the base of the old headlight bulb. Set this cover aside in a safe place, as you will need it later. Now, you will see the old bulb secured by a hinged metal retaining arm. Push in the top part of this arm and lift it up to release it from its hook, then swing it open. Gently pull the old headlight bulb straight out of its socket. Take your new number 903 bulb and insert it straight into the socket, aligning its 3 tabs. Swing the metal retaining arm back into place and push the loop down to secure the new bulb firmly. With the new bulb securely in place, push the rubber dust cover back into position over the new headlight bulb. Ensure it forms a tight seal. Next, line up the black plastic power plug with the 3 metal electrical contact blades and push it back into place until it clicks. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to test the new bulb and confirm it is working correctly before closing the hood. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.